Oh no, my car broke down. Oh no, I need help. Oh shit, oh shit.
It's a trap. It's a trap. Okay, this video is for my subscribers from foreign countries, and I'll show how to greet a person in Russian.
Okay, okay.
Доброе утро. Good morning. It means good morning. Добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый вечер. It means good evening. Привет. It means hello. Informal variant. Yeah, with your friends. Hello. Вот, привет, 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 привет. Здравствуйте. It means hello, but formal variant.
Okay, okay.
Как дела? How are you? Как дела? Как дела? Okay, thank you for your support. I appreciate it.